Housing experts say this isn't a bubble. With so much talk about an economic slowdown, some people are asking if the housing market is heading for a crash like the one in 2008. To really understand what's happening with the real estate market today, it's important to lean on the experts for reliable information. Here's why economists and industrial experts say the housing market is not the bubble ready to pop. Today is nothing like 2008. The 2008 crash is still fresh in most minds of many homeowners and sellers, home buyers and sellers, but today's market is different. Chief economist at First American says this is not the same market of 2008. It's no secret the housing market played a central role in the Great Recession, but the market is just fundamentally different in so many ways. Natalie Capsey, the advisor of staff for Forbes, explains how today's lending standards are different than those during the lead up to the housing market crash. Among the differences between today's housing market and that of the 2008 housing crash is that lending standards are tighter due to the lessons learned and new regulations enacted after the last crisis. Essentially, that means those approved for a mortgage nowadays are less likely to default than those who were approved in the pre-crisis lending period. Another reason today's housing market is nothing like 2008 is that the number of people looking to buy a home still outweighs the supply of homes for sale. As realtor.com notes, experts don't believe that market is in a bubble or crash is in the cards. Like during the Great Recession, the nation is still suffering from a housing shortage that has reached crisis proportions at time when many millennials are reaching the age when they start to consider home ownership. That's likely to keep high. Bottom line is, experts say the housing market is in a bubble and we're not heading for a crash. So let's connect so you can have a full picture of today's housing market in your local area. And I'm glad to help and answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching.